Hi there. My name is Melissa Puckett, and I am an independent founding designer with Me Alicia Jewelry. I'd like to take a moment to tell you a little bit about myself and share with you how I became involved with Me Alicia. I'm from Southeast Idaho. I'm married, and I have 6 kids. I also have ownership in 2 local businesses, and I'm involved in my community. So needless to say, I've got a pretty full plate, and I wasn't looking to add to that plate when the Me Alicia business opportunity came along. But my interest was piqued when I found out about the ability to be involved with a direct sales company on the ground level. You see, I had been involved with another direct sales company for about 7 years. It was a pretty established direct sales company. As a matter of fact, it was almost 50 years old by the time I joined. And I loved everything about it. I loved the products, I loved the business. But the only problem was that the market was pretty heavily saturated because of the establishment and the long period of time that it had been there. So you can imagine how excited I was when I found out that I had the ability to be a founding member of Me Alicia. And not only that, I fell in love with the concept, the ability to take one piece of jewelry and transform it into multiple styles because of 2 simple hooks. It was mind-blowing. And to top it all off, their business plan, the compensation model, a hybrid model that enabled designers to have unlimited earning potential and unlimited growth potential. I had never seen that before, and I was impressed. So needless to say, I joined the company in its pre-launch phase, and I am happy to report that now my team is one of the fastest growing in the company. Now, as I've done more with this business, my reasons for loving Me Alicia have actually evolved and somewhat changed. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the ability to earn unlimited amounts of money. The flexibility is just amazing. But I've been blessed to see women literally grow and change before my eyes, including myself. A big part of my focus now is to help women realize their worth, their infinite worth. And I have been privileged to work alongside women from all different walks of life, single moms, married moms, working people. Some women have multiple jobs that they hold down in addition to doing Me Alicia. But the commonality with all of us is that we yearn for something more in our life, and we desperately want to make our dreams come true, which is why my team is named Melissa's Dream Makers. It fits. And I love watching these women achieve their dreams. I love achieving my dreams. It's been a very empowering journey in this short amount of time that we have been going along. So if you have dreams that you would like to achieve, if you have dreams of flexibility or financial freedom, or if you would like to find out more about this exciting ground floor opportunity, then visit lifechangingjewelry.com. You can also visit melissasdreammakers.mealicia.com, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get important updates and see new products as they come along. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you believe it, you can achieve it. Make it a great day.